Hi, Fernand Raymond here. In this video, I want to show you how I built a PBN and ranked on Google use for PBN hosting, best PBN hosting, and it's actually a PBN hosted using SeekaHost PBN hosting. First of all, I'll actually show you what's the PBN, and um, and that's the thing. The best part. I have a nice story about it. So if you go how to build a private blog network, right? I have this one already over here, so it's ranking on the top 3 of Google. So if you go to this one, I actually show you the story of how I got that PBN, which is the expired domain. Saket gave me the expired domain. Read through this, which is on my Friend and Women blog, which I actually show you the dates and the stuff. He gave me this domain, and I systematically build it. I've explained to you how thing. I send it to Saket, and like Saket gave it to me. Aslam hosted, so we use SeekaHost PBN hosting. How I evaluate that domain, all those things today. If you want to read how this PBN was actually built and came live, right? So this is the particular PBN, right? So you just literally saw this is the PBN Enterprise Toolkit. I'm going to show you how it's been hosted on using SeekaHost, blog hosting control panel, world's best PBN hosting system, which is you can start having a look on this one. This is the thing. Yeah, this arcade actually even saying he uses even SeekaHost PBN hosting. Been a while. I think now he's using hundreds of PBNs, and he's been one of the early guys using, and the best is PBN expired domain finder. So let me go inside and show you that PBN before I even go to Google. So these are some of my PBNs in one of these accounts. So SeekaHost PBN blog hosting control panel. And so you see this one, Entrepreneurs Toolkit. So that's the expired domain, which is hosted using PBN hosting, one of the unique IPs used and hosted it, and it's all those things. It's still there. This is our blog hosting control panel, which is already there on YouTube and the stuff and all. If you want to see how it is, and if you want to use it, I'll tell you. So this is a PBN hosted using PBN hosting, and now I'm going to show you a ranking for this kind of keyword. Best PBN hosting. If I show you its ranking over here, it will go to top because this guy is actually not promoting about PBN hosting. This is about some WordPress hosting he's talking, and it's not, you're not going to get these IP ranges and all. You can mess up by using this thing. He's just writing and publishing, I think, to get the affiliate commission, and also he's trying to justify with this article. I mean, I'll leave it to you all to decide on that, right? Because I've been in the PBN business, PBN hosting, expired domain business more than anybody, right? So I know what I'm talking. So that's why I want to actually build a PBN and host it using our PBN hosting, rank it for PBN hosting, so it's climbing. And also for PBN hosting, snippet, it's actually these guys are showing but ranking over here number 1 on Google. But one of this article, which also if you go to this page you can see that ranking this, also ranking this, is what I'm actually focusing on, because this is why I want to go to number 1. So that's what I want to show you. A PBN ranking for PBN hosting, which is built and hosted SeekaHost PBN hosting. So you saw it for your own eyes. This is the particular post I've written strategically. If you watch this video, I really break down what is PBN hosting, what are the advantages, how to choose what package you should be getting. Should you go for because we have several PBN hosting plans at SeekaHost, who should use what and why you should get from each and all those things. So it just really goes about explaining to you all these dynamics and like the PBN hosting, the main 2000 IP package, and then I have a couple of 2 videos. If you're new to PBN game, you want to really further see and learn about our PBN blog hosting control panel. It's data driven, so you should watch this video. So you saw for yourself how I built a PBN and ranked for best PBN hosting, and also PBN hosting is climbed to the top. And that's the thing. So this even having, I think, links from some PBNs. So this is interesting, guys. So if you have any questions, you can always ask it wherever you see this video, either on the PBN Demystified Facebook group or else on YouTube. You can drop any comments to ask any questions. And what I showed, this one, it's at the moment, it's now open for the market. But if you're one of our VIP clients of SeekaHost, you can always reach out to me and get a Zoom call. I'll show you and I'll give you access to get started using. And if you think you are interested in getting started, just shoot me an email, ask our Black Chat support or reach to me. I'll get you on a Zoom call and I'll explain to you, I'll show you the inside, and I'll walk you through, and then I will let you start playing with it. But the best thing, guys, I'm ranking a PBN for PBN hosting. So game, right? So just want to show it to you, because people are misleading. Like, I didn't really like that guy is actually writing about just WordPress hosting and try to say, dude, like, this is my industry. What are you trying to do, man? So that's about in this video. I hope you got some tips and seen how PBNs work. So I'm actually testing these days with the PBNs, going for the second time, some core keywords, which I'll show you in another video. You can watch my videos on Fernando Raymond YouTube channel, as well as you can see it on the SeekaHost YouTube channel, as well as on ClickD. Thanks for listening, guys. Like, so happy blogging. Get used to PBNs, build it, rank it, build it right. That's what I'm talking about. I'm showing this an amazing PBN, private blog network, and of course built amazingly with well written content. So I'm not scared to show it. So that's what I want to show it to you. If you have any tips about PBN, just drop a question below. I'll jump on a call and answer you if you're already using PBN hosting, or else publicly share with anybody on this PBN Demystified group as well. Thanks for listening. And I'm signing off at SeekaHost.